Here are 5 indoor TV antennas designed to enhance your viewing experience. If you are looking for the best indoor TV antenna to buy, you have come to the right place. Here is where you will find a comprehensive overview of the top 5 indoor TV antennas that will help you enjoy stunning picture quality and ensure a seamless TV viewing experience. As cord cutting becomes more popular, having a reliable TV antenna is crucial. These antennas are in no specific order. Stay to the end for a bonus on how to make an antenna in your kitchen in 16 minutes for less than $5. Number 1 on the list is the Clearstream Eclipse Indoor HD TV Antenna. This antenna is rated with a 35-mile range, making it ideal for urban and suburban areas. It is a multi-directional design which allows it to pick up signals from various directions, which in turn provides flexibility in placement of the antenna. Installation is easy. Simply peel and stick the antenna to a window or wall. The antenna has 4K Ultra HD compatibility, which will deliver crystal clear picture quality for your favorite shows. Clearstream also has an antenna rated with a 50-mile range, which includes an amplifier. Number 2 is the Mohu Leaf Metro TV Antenna. Key features for the Mohu is its compact and reversible design, which allows it to discreetly blend with any home decor. If you don't like the color, you can even paint it to match the wall. This high-performance antenna captures clear, uncompressed full HD signals up to 40 miles away, making it perfect for dwellers living further away from the broadcast towers. Setup is easy, just hang it on a wall, window, or lay it flat on a table. The third pick is the RCA Amplified Indoor Flat HD TV Antenna with an advertised range of 55 miles. Dual-stage amplification provides 2 levels of amplification. The digital pre-amplifier provides the cleanest signal before the main amplifier boosts the overall signal for weaker channels. RCA's advanced Smart Boost technology amplifies weak signals to deliver the most channels possible while filtering out false signals. Super thin, sleek, 360 degrees multi-directional design with built-in signal meter will blend into your home's interior and is easy to position with or without the built-in easel stand. You can lay it flat, hang it, or stand it up. Our fourth choice is the Winegard Flatwave HD Indoor Amplified TV Antenna. Like several other current antennas, this is a modern and paper-thin design which allows it to occupy minimal space and is easy to mount. Its 50-mile range makes it ideal for suburban and rural areas. It features dual-band reception, which captures both VHF and UHF signals for a broad channel selection. Amplification uses the clear circuit technology. This technology enhances signal strength and avoids pixelation. The power supply has a USB option which allows easy connection to any compatible device for powering the amplifier. The final choice is the 1x1 Digital Amplified Indoor HD TV Antenna. Its light and flat design makes it easy to install. You can hide it behind the TV set, or stick it on the window or wall, anywhere you like. Simply face the antenna in the direction of your local tower and scan for channels. Try different mounting locations using the convenient 3M adhesive stickers, power grip, suction cups, or mounting screws. The extra-long 16.5 feet coaxial cable provides lots of flexibility to place your antenna on a wall behind your TV or even flat on a table. The included amplifier boosts weak signals to optimize picture quality. These top 5 indoor TV antennas offer excellent options for receiving high-quality, free over-the-air signals, and they cater to various needs and locations. Whether you're an urban dweller or live in a rural area, these remarkable antennas will ensure you have access to a wide range of channels without the need for expensive cable or satellite subscriptions. So, bid farewell to expensive TV subscriptions and say hello to these affordable, efficient, and top-quality indoor TV antennas. Enhance your entertainment experience by bringing high-definition channels right into your living room.